Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change aspect ratio in VLC media player. Open VLC media player, open your video. Now here click on playback. Now here click on video. Here you will see option aspect ratio. You can select here default 16:9. There are some more options 4:3, 1:1, and you can try another one. So this way you can change temporary aspect ratio. Also you can set as a default. Click on tools, preferences, click on video. Here you will see option force aspect ratio. You can set your desired ratio. Then click on save. Then click on video aspect ratio and select default. So this is the way guys you can change aspect ratio in VLC media player as a default or as a temporary. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.